Daimler Truck Company today celebrated the series launch of the Mercedes-Benz eActros 600 for long-distance haulage at the Mercedes-Benz plant in Worth. The largest truck assembly plant of Mercedes-Benz trucks in Worth am Rhein was founded in 1963. Since the beginning, around 4.4 million trucks have been built here. Today, these are the Actros, Arocs, and Attigos series. The Mercedes-Benz Special Trucks Econic, Unimog, and Zetros are also built in Worth. Series production of the battery-electric Mercedes-Benz eActros 300 and 400 for distribution transportation started in 2021. This was followed in 2022 by the second electric series truck, the Mercedes-Benz eConic for municipal use. With around 10,000 employees, the Mercedes-Benz plant in Worth is the second largest employer in Rhineland-Palatinate. The eActros 600 will be manufactured on the existing assembly line of the Worth A-Series production, in parallel with and flexibly alongside the trucks that will receive a diesel truck. The eActros 600 also receives all electrical components in this production line. The entire system is commissioned at the end of the assembly line. From then on, the truck is ready to drive and lastly undergoes the finishing process and final inspection like all other trucks. The eActros 600 is thus the first electric truck from Worth where assembly takes place in one production hall. The conversion of the assembly lines, as well as the integration of the eActros 600 into line production, has taken place gradually. The eActros 600 for long-distance haulage celebrated its world premiere end of 2023. The high battery capacity of over 600 kilowatt-hours, hence the model designation 600, and a new, particularly efficient electric drive axle developed in-house enable the electric truck to achieve a range of 500 kilometers without intermediate charging. This range is accomplished under very realistic and practical conditions with a gross combination mass of 40 tons, which can also be significantly exceeded depending on the driving style and the route. The eActros 600 will even be able to cover well over 1,000 kilometers per day. Intermediate charging during statutory driver breaks, even without megawatt charging, makes this possible, provided that charging options are available. In addition to CCS charging with up to 400 kilowatts, the eActros 600 will later also enable megawatt charging, MCS. The electric flagship has already proven its capabilities several times under real-life conditions. In customer use and as part of the eActros 600 European testing toward 2024, a 15,000-kilometer all-electric development trip through a total of 22 countries with a gross train weight of 40 tons. In addition, the e-truck was voted International Truck of the Year 2025 by commercial vehicle journalists from 24 European countries. The award is the most important prize in the industry. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews.